Assalamu alaikum. In our first lecture of chapter number 1, that is branches of science, major of major, we learn about the importance and need of sub-branches of science. Now I will start the reading of the chapter. Listen it carefully. Biology is the study of life and living organism. Living things may be animals, plants, and microorganisms. Biology, that is why, was further divided into its sub-branches. As you can see the flow diagram of biology, that biology is divided into three main branches, that is botany, microbiology, and zoology. Now I will explain you each of them in detail, moving towards heading number 1, that is botany. Botany is a branch of biology. In this field, plants of all types are studied. Life cycle of different plants are closely observed. Newly discovered plants are classified according to their types by botanists, experts of botany. Beneficial and harmful plants are identified and studied. In this sub-branch, various diseases that may harm the plants are also studied and their cures are found. Botany is helping us in producing good quality crops. This branch deals with the plants. The person who studies them called the botanist. He or she study the harmful and beneficial effects of plants, diseases and cures. And botanists also help us to produce good quality of crops to fulfill the demand of people. Now moving towards heading number 2, that is zoology. Zoology is concerned with the study of animals. Scientists in this field are known as zoologists. Different details relate to animals are studied, including their habitat, behavior, kinds of food, reproduction, etc. Veterinary physicians are doctors who treat sick animals. Studying zoology has enabled us to save many animals, such as panda, from becoming extinct from our planet. This branch deals with the animals and the persons who studies them called zoologist. He or she study the behavior, kind, eating habits, living lifestyle and reproduction. They also keep an eye on animals which are going to be extinct like panda and many more. If we don't take care of our zoological life, our ecosystem will disturb. What does ecosystem means? Ecosystem means community of living organism and their interaction as a system. Now moving towards the third sub branch, that is microbiology. In microbiology, those organisms are studied which can only be seen with a microscope. They are called microorganisms such as cells, bacteria, viruses, protozoa. Microbiologist carefully studies their characteristics. They can use this information to help in manufacturing medicines. Microbiology has helped us in creating vaccines which prevent us from various diseases. This branch deals with microorganism, means those bodies which can only be seen by microscope, such as viruses which cause different diseases in living organisms, bacteria which are sometimes helpful for us to make curd or yogurt. The person who work on it is a microbiologist. They help in manufacturing medicines and create vaccines which is used to cure diseases. This is the end of today's lecture. Tomorrow we start with the reading of branches of chemistry. It's time for your assignment. Your today's assignment is to do reading of the chapter which we done today and memorize the flow chart of biology.